Okay, we've shifted scenes now. We're no longer in the dojo. We're no longer dressed in our gi and hakama that we use for our formal training. We're down by the woodpile. And the reason is that this too is a way to teach Zen meditation. I told you about Omori Sogen, the person who developed the three-part curriculum for the Chozenji lineage of Zen, which involved the use of formal Zen training, use of sword training, and then use of calligraphy, a fine art. So his curriculum was Zen, sword, calligraphy. My own teacher was also of that same lineage, also a swordsman, also a calligrapher, but his martial arts experience went much beyond just the use of the sword. And so he was able to really amplify this whole use of the body in the physicality of our Zen meditation. His name was Tenoi Tenshin. And it's remarkable what starts to shift as you use your body in different ways, especially during the log splitting. So let's just review. What I said is that with log splitting, or with Zen meditation, we're talking about breath and gravity. Breath and gravity. And we demonstrated it as we were sitting down. We demonstrated it with the sword. Here we're going to show you how we use it when we're splitting logs. So we've got two styles of splitting logs. One is a classic style, which Adrian is going to demonstrate. But then we also have a more sophisticated style. It's harder to learn, but it's truer to the form. So Jake, I want to have you take the small up with the inhale. Just hold it there, you're too close. You're too close. Take it up. Bend the legs. Okay, so now, as gravity comes down, he's going to straighten up against it. There you go. So there's that dual motion that you saw with the sword, you saw in Zen meditation. It comes down, the body comes up. And notice how relaxed this upper body is, right? One thing that's always interesting to watch is how people want to muscle their way through a log. And I can give them a log that they're never going to muscle their way through. It won't work. So this is great feedback for emphasizing how relaxed that upper body has to be. Now, if Jake was just to take that up, go ahead and take it up. Now, what I want you to do is just let it drop, truly let it drop. Don't try to cut, just let it drop. Okay, same thing. Okay, nothing happens, right? There's not enough to split the wood. So it's not just gravity, it's how his body is interacting with that gravity. That's why I'm emphasizing in this form how that body goes up, because as that body comes up, how he uses that strength through his body is what splits the log. So go ahead and split that sucker. Okay, next. Good. Right. Now what I want more of is just that straight. Don't think about this. This is just coming down. Get your body straight. Yeah. Okay. Same thing. Yeah. Go ahead and set the other one up. Get it. That's it. That is it. Yep. Good.